Hi everybody, it's Jake Chisholm with Results Realty Atlantic, and I'm here at 198 Cottage Street. This house is adorable and it's completely done. Like hardwood floors, gyprock, the light fixtures, the kitchen, it's so cute. And I think my favorite part of it is that it's in one of the best neighborhoods in New Glasgow as well, on the east side of the river. So we're gonna come in, we're gonna see it, you're gonna fall in love with it and see how really peculiar and weird this house is too on the same breath. So come on in. Isn't this place just so cute? What I find the most interesting about this house is that the layout and the styling of it is just so different from what you normally see in this neighborhood. So, you know, on the exterior you have this really cute, cozy, traditional home, and then you come in and you don't have that at all. I mean, you got the kitchen, you got the tall ceilings and the vaulting. It's really cool. So come see this house, book your appointment, and we will see you all soon.